Today I'm going to show you how to hang your cardigans to prevent creases as well as prevent piling in the shoulder that tends to develop over time if you just hang it the regular way. So first of all, we want to lay the cardigan down with the front side facing up here, and I'm going to button up all the buttons on the cardigan. And from here we're going to lift the cardigan up at the middle of the sweater pretty much. So I'm grabbing both layers of fabric here at the bottom, and I'm also grabbing the top at the middle. Lift up the cardigan, and we pretty much want to fold it over in half. So I'm going to lay it down on one side, the other side is underneath. If you want to straighten it out further, a trick you can do is lift it up at the shoulder and at the bottom of the folds here. Just give it a little shake on this side as well, like this. And you can lay it back down and it should even up quite nicely. You could also just straighten it up a little bit extra if you want to, if it doesn't turn out to be entirely even and nice right away. From here we need a coat hanger. So the thicker your coat hanger, the better really to prevent creases, but this is really going to help because it's not stuck in here to develop piling. So we lay it down under the armpit of the cardigan so that we have the hook facing downwards. If you want to really prevent creases, you could also take some paper here and lay it down under the coat hanger like this so that the cardigan rests on the paper. It helps a little bit, but I think just like this without the paper is going to be really good as well for you guys. It's definitely an improvement on the regular way. Anyway, once we have the coat hanger laid down, we're going to start by folding down the bottom of the cardigan over the coat hanger like this on one end. Straighten it out nicely there. Once that is in place, we're going to take the arms and we're going to fold them down over the coat hanger as well, so that it overlaps the other part of the cardigan, like this. And from here we can lift it up. Ta-da! And there you have a perfectly hung cardigan that's not going to crease, and it's also not going to pile in the shoulder. You can store them like this long term without any issues. So if you want to see more cool ways that you can pack your clothes, organize your wardrobe, you can head over to organizing.tv/hacks, and I put together like this 5-step folding cheat sheet with all my top ways that you can fold your garments and organize them really neatly and save some space as well. I'm gonna make like a little box here that you can tap. If not, if you don't want to tap it, head over to organizing.tv/hacks right now, and yeah. I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of this cardigan folding week, and we'll do some freestyle folding. All right, peace.